Dear students, welcome to all in our online classroom. Dear students, I am Grish Mollik, assistant teacher of Chunkuri Secondary School, Chunkuri, Dakop, Khulna. Now I am going to class in 9, English first paper, Unit 5, Lesson 3. Dear students, we have to learn in this class, read and understand text through silent reading, listen for information, asked and answer questions, infer meaning from context, write answer to questions, etc. Okay, dear students, here is a picture. What kind of is it? And another picture is coming. What kind of is it? It is deforestation. Okay, thank you. Another picture is coming. What kind of is it? It is cutting trees. Okay, very good. And another picture is coming. It is, what kind of is it? It is air pollution. Okay, fine. Now we are going to learn man and climate. Okay, dear students, read the text attentively. Okay, humans can neither sense the sun's radiation nor the earth's orbit around the sun, but they can control the increase in the amount of greenhouse gases and its effect on the atmosphere. Now, during the last 100 years, the carbon dioxide concentration has been raised alarmingly in the atmosphere, and we humans can be held responsible for this. The main cause of the increase in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere is the burning of fossil fuels. Since the end of the 19th century, industrial activities increased rapidly, giving rise to many factories. These factories record energy, which was produced through the combustion of coal. Besides coal, other sources of energy such as mineral oil and natural gas are also burned to heat our house, run cars and airplanes, or to produce electricity. Nowadays, about 85 million barrels of crude oil are burned daily. Every time a fossil raw materials is burned, it releases carbon dioxide into the air. Dear students, therefore, it is clear that more and more greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide are being generated worldwide by humans. Moreover, we are also strengthening the greenhouse effect by deforestation, which means cutting down trees. Every year, enormous area of forest are destroyed by people to obtain wood and to clear regions for mining and to create pasture. This loss of the forest caused dual problems. Trees that are burnt up release large volumes of carbon dioxide gas into the air. On the other hand, as forests absorb a lot of carbon dioxide from the air and deliver oxygen instead, we also destroyed an important storehouse of carbon dioxide when we clear forest. Okay, dear students, now we are practice vocabulary. Here are some words. Control, it is verb. Increase, it is verb. Effect, it is noun. Atmosphere, it is noun. Concentration, it is noun. Rapidly, it is adjective. Record, it is adjective. Conversion, it is noun. Crude, it is adjective. And its synonym and antonyms are control. Its synonym is subjugate, and its opposite words is release. Increase, verb, its synonym is enhance, and antonym is reduce. Effect, its synonym result. And antonym, cause. Atmosphere, its synonym, environment. Concentration, its same word, attention. And opposite word is distraction. Rapidly, its same word, quickly. And opposite word, slowly. Record, its same word, necessary. And opposite word, unnecessary. Okay, dear students, combustion, its synonym is burning. Crude, its synonym is impure. And opposite word, rectified. Okay, dear students, here are some statements below and say if there are true or false. If false, give the correct information or correct answer. Okay, dear students, first statement is fossil fuels are burnt at an alarming rate due to industrialization. Guess what is it? Is it false or true? Okay, dear students, it is true. Okay, dear students, statement number 2. Coal is the only fuel used for generating energy. Is it true or false? Okay, dear students, it is false. And correct information is beside coal, natural gas and mineral oil are used for generating energy. Okay, dear students, statement number 3. At present, nearly 85 million barrels of crude oil are used weekly. Is it true or false? Okay, dear students, it is false. And correct information is at present nearly 85 million barrels of crude oil are used daily, not weekly. Okay, dear students, statement number 4. Statement number 4. It is deforestation is caused by nature. Is it true or false? Okay, dear students, it is false. And correct information is deforestation is caused by humans. Okay, dear students, statement number 5. Forests help consume carbon dioxide gases from the air. Okay, dear students, it is true. Fine, thank you everybody. Dear students, now it's your homework. You practice at your home more and more in the situation of COVID-19, crisis of COVID-19. Okay, dear students, your homework is recently you have seen the enormous cutting down trees in your locality. Now write a paragraph about deforestation. I repeat again, recently you have seen the enormous cutting down trees in your locality. Now write a paragraph about deforestation. Okay, dear students, thank you everybody. Goodbye.